Today, I'm taking a little break and handing the camera over to another expert that's going to share some really cool tips with you today. So head on over and watch the video and let me know what you think.
Hi guys, my name is Wura Manola and I'm a wedding planner, blogger and content creator. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 things that I wish I knew before I started my wedding planning business. The first thing that I wish I knew before starting my wedding planning business is having the right systems in place. It's so important as a wedding planner to have the right systems in place so your wedding business can run smoothly and efficiently, and also your customer experience can be A-star. I didn't know of this wedding planning system before I started wedding planning. I was winging it as I went along, and there was just a lot of hard work constantly, and I was constantly tired. But when I figured out some systems, some CRM systems, some templates, and just putting together effectively processes so that my business can run smoothly, when I discovered this, let me tell you, it made it a lot easier for me, and it made it less stressful, and it made my client experience a lot better. So please invest in the right systems for your wedding. The next thing that I wish I knew before I started wedding planning is being a good business person is vital to the success of your wedding planning business. I dare to even say that being a good business person is more important than being a great wedding planner, because you can always hire people who can help you if you're not the soundest in wedding planning, but your business has to be a star. It's so important and it's so vital. What do I mean by being a good business person? Having paying your taxes, managing your business, and managing your business in a sustainable way that is profitable for your business. Having your financial plans in place, having business plan for your business, your marketing, your sales, your client experience, everything that comes together, your contract, your processes, everything that comes together to make your business work, I feel is so important, because that's why you see a lot of people stop planning weddings and they don't plan weddings anymore, because they didn't build a sustainable and profitable wedding planning business. So make sure you get the business part sorted. The next thing that I wish I knew before I started my wedding planning business is not discounting my services. Let me tell you, I am African, I'm Nigerian, I grew up in Nigeria. I'm used to negotiating and haggling, so I went into business thinking that same way. If someone came and they wanted to negotiate with me, I wouldn't even fight back. I'd be like, oh, this is normal, let me give them. They'll probably appreciate and like me more because I've done this. Granted, a discount to make anyone smile, but will it make people value your service? I feel like if you stick to your price, you're gonna say, this is my price, this is what I'm worth, people will respect you a lot more. And when you discount your price as well, when you start planning weddings, sometimes people can take advantage of it. Whereas if you stand to your ground on your price, they know you're a no-nonsense person, and apart from that, they would value you. What can you do instead of discounting your services? You can do less. So if your client wants to pay less, you do less. If they want to pay $4,000, then you're not sitting around the whole day coordinating the wedding. It might be one coordinator. So you do less if your client wants to pay less. I think they will definitely value you more if you do that than when you're discounting your services. And also, discounting your services can hurt the industry, not just your business. The next thing that I wish I knew before I started my wedding planning business is you have to market the heck out of your business. I didn't know the effective ways of marketing when I first started my business. I mean, Instagram was just about picking up, so I would just put pictures on Instagram. I would maybe go for bridal fairs, or that's pretty much what I wasn't doing a lot, let me tell you. So it's so important to market your business. You have to put aside a marketing budget, and you have to know the channels of marketing that you should use. You have to know where your clients are to market the right way. For example, if your clients are on Instagram or Pinterest or TikTok, there's no point spending so much money on Google. For example, if your clientele are the rich and the elite, then maybe you spend more money on PR. Whereas, so you just have to know where to spend your money. And marketing, let me tell you, is so important. You have to keep marketing. I think there's something that I stand by and says, someone said McDonald's is one of the biggest food chains in the world. They've been around for ages. Everyone knows McDonald's, and also McDonald's is everywhere, but they market a lot still, and that should tell you something. Never stop marketing. The fifth thing I wish I knew before I started my wedding planning business is how important it is to know who your ideal client is, baby. Let me tell you, having your ideal client is like a match made in heaven, and it's always a great planning process. Even if the wedding is challenging, it's still a great planning process. when you're not working with your ideal clients, you know, it makes you question yourself, your business, your work, everything when you're not working with your ideal clients. I have worked with a couple of clients that I bless them, I love them, but I knew that some of them were not my ideal clients. Now that I'm marketing to my ideal client, now that I'm working with my ideal client, I definitely know the difference. And not working with ideal client cannot just hurt you, it can hurt your clients as well. Because if you're not working with someone who's your ideal client, the frustration can come up in the way that you work, and that can come across to your clients, and you don't want that to come across to your client. And there's something that we wedding planners in the UK say among ourselves. A lot of us are Christians, and we say that God give us the clients that are for us. We recognize that not every couple is for us. So we're always making sure that we choose the couples that are for us. And I think that's really good partnership community that we have in the UK. The last thing that I wish I knew before I started my wedding planning business is the multiple streams of income that you can have as a wedding planner. I thought that wedding planners just made money from planning weddings and coordinating weddings. I didn't know there were so many multiple streams of income for wedding planners, and I wish I had known that before I started planning weddings, because I might be a billionaire by now, you know. So yes, that's the last thing that I wish I knew. But yes, I hope this video has helped someone out there not make the same mistakes that I've made, and kind of start thinking, you know, do I need to be a better business person? Do I need to market more? Do I need to make sure I know who my ideal client is? Do I need to make sure I have the right systems in place, you know? And if you want more information, I do one-on-one consulting. So please email me at wura@manolalux.com, and we'll be able to take it from there. If you're a wedding planner, if you're just starting off and you need to get your foot on the right path. Also, I have something very, very important for wedding planners. If you're watching this and you're a wedding planner or you're a service provider in the wedding industry, message me and just use the line something new, and I'll send all the details to you. But this will transform your life as a business person. So thank you so much to Event Certificate for giving me the opportunity to educate you guys today. I hope you've enjoyed it. You can follow me on my socials, Wura Manola for Instagram, Manola Lux Weddings for my wedding planning page, and Get Wedding Ready for my blogging page. My YouTube is under my name, Wura Manola. And yes, I love to chat with you guys. So yes, message me and we'll get chatting. Thank you. Bye.